Let's get you all the updates you need to know on the coronavirus vaccine front. An expert committee is set to review applications for the emergency use of vaccines. Remember, Serum Institute of India, Bharat Biotech, Pfizer's approved application is set to be reviewed by a committee of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Pfizer had applied for emergency use on December 4th, Serum Institute on December 6th, and the latest was Bharat Biotech on December 7th. The applications will be reviewed by the subject expert committee, and the committee will be submitting the recommendation to the Drug Controller General of India on whether to grant approval for emergency use. On Tuesday, the Health Ministry in its briefing stated that 8 vaccines are being developed at different stages in India.
भारत के वैज्ञानिक अपनी सफलता को लेकर
The government has raised the hopes of 1 billion Indians. On Tuesday, it came closest to announcing that a vaccine was surely on its way.
प्रयास चल रहे हैं, क्या चल रहे हैं.
So there are multiple vaccine candidates in different stages of development, and some of them may get licensed in the next few weeks.
Over the last 4 days, Pfizer, the Pune-based Serum Institute of India, and Hyderabad's Bharat Biotech have applied for the government drug regulator seeking emergency use approval for their potential COVID-19 vaccines. An expert panel will meet on Wednesday to review the applications of the drug makers. Quite clearly, Pfizer, Covishield and Covaxin are frontrunners for a vaccine in India.
If regulatory authority, they feel that this vaccine is really beneficial to control this particular problem, that is the COVID-19, then they can approve for the emergency use. And if suppose after some time, if they feel, regulatory authority feel that no, this is causing more harm than the benefit, then any time they can withdraw this approval. Or if they feel that no, they are causing more benefit, then they can continue. And after some time, after generating more data, they can approve for the regular use also. So this is the emergency use authorization.
In anticipation of a vaccine, the government has laid out a roadmap for the inoculation program. 1 crore health workers will get vaccinated first. Next will be 2 crore frontline workers. In the third phase, 27 crore senior citizens will be immunized against coronavirus. Prime Minister Modi gave enough hints that India was closing in on a vaccine in his speech last week after an all-party meeting on COVID-19.
माना जा रहा है कि अगले कुछ हफ्तों में कोरोना की वैक्सीन तैयार हो जाएगी. जैसे ही वैज्ञानिकों की हरी झंडी मिलेगी, भारत में टीकाकरण अभियान शुरू कर दिया जाएगा.
States are gearing up for cold chain storage. Vaccinators have been identified and the government has launched a mobile app on which people can get themselves registered for the vaccine. As the year 2020 slips into 2021, the good news might arrive. India might have a vaccine of its own to combat the deadly spread of coronavirus.
In a situation like a pandemic, the drug regulator could move for a faster approval of emergency use authorization if the vaccine maker has proven to have some sort of safety or efficacy that would help people save themselves from the coronavirus pandemic. With Ashwini Helen, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.